Okay, we got 2 tornadoes. I think I should check another radar. Hold on, let me just... interesting. Okay, we are already close to the tornadoes. Alright. Wait, hold on, I gotta get out of my car. Whoa! Hold on, what? The heck? I don't know if I intercept that tornado or I intercept this tornado. These two, I guess. But never mind, I gotta intercept this. Wait, hold on. Multi-vortex? Never mind, let me go in my car. Okay, let's go. I guess. Hope we don't die. Hope I don't die, I mean. But this looks like an E4. Wait, it is a E4? Okay, I'm gonna deploy. Hold on. Okay, here is a good spot. I think. Wait, never mind. We just. Wait, it's coming. It's coming. Whoa, 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 whoa! 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 Help! 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 Whoa! Whoa! Wait, is this a joke? Or I just saw a lie? Never mind. I think I'm going. Whoa, 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 whoa. I'm going to intercept this tornado. Wait, multi-vortex. I hope I can escape it. Dude, that thing is huge. Wait, stop. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Wait, no. Deploy. Let's go. I think we should undeploy. The tornado just went on another place. So we just gotta go. Okay. Let's go, guys. I think I saw TU2 flying. I think it was here. Hold on. It's just me, or where is the vortex? Where are the vortexes? Never mind. This is actually the same tornado. We shall go there. Damn. That's big. Come on, deploy. Let's go. We're inside the tornado or not? I don't know if we're inside it. It's shaking. It's shaking. It's shaking. Help. It's shaking. Oh no, oh no, 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 no. Dude, why I came to intercept the tornado? Wait, no, no, no. No. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I'm in the air. Oh, my intercepting. Hold on. What the? Tornado? Come on, I was going to intercept that tornado, but never mind. I already found a tornado. So, let's go. Okay, deploy. Come on, let me put pro real quick. Come on, dude. Whoa, 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 whoa! No, 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 no! Wait. Okay, guys, I'm tired, so see y'all in part 2.